Unleash the power of yoga to shape up your chest. Check out our list of 7 best yoga poses that can help you achieve a beautiful bust line while improving your overall health. Breathe deep and trust us, you'll feel stronger with these exercises. Number 1. Warrior Pose. Virabhadrasana, or the warrior pose, will help stand your thorax and make it elastic and active. First, place your feet wide apart parallel to each other. Turn your left foot 90 degrees to the left and your right foot inside. Breathe out and bend your left knee. Keep your right leg straight. Raise your arms and put them in line with your shoulders. Turn your head left, looking at your wrist. Repeat 7 to 10 times, then do the same on the right side. Number 2. Trikonasana, or the triangle pose. Helps release and strengthen your thorax. Stretch your spine and improve your blood flow. Place your feet wide apart. Turn the left 190 degrees and the right 115 degrees. Touch your left ankle with your left hand. With time, you'll be able to put your open palm on the floor. Stretch your right arm upwards so that your arms make a straight line. Keep your knees and spine straight. Turn your face up and look at your fingers. Then repeat the exercise on the other side. Number 3. Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana, or the Cobra Pose, helps increase the volume of your lungs. Stretch the thoracic muscles, strengthen your abdominal muscles, and improve your posture. Lie on your stomach and take a deep breath. Slowly raise your torso and keep your lower body on the floor at the same time. Balance on your legs and arms. Raise your head and look up. Slowly, breathe out and assume the initial position. Increase the time you stay in this pose with each repetition. Number 4. Bow Pose. Dhanurasana, or the bow pose, is for those who have backaches. This exercise helps you stretch your spine and shape your breasts. Lie your stomach, breathe out, bend your knees and raise them behind you towards your head. Hold your ankles with your hands now slowly. Breathe out again and pull your legs and arms upward as far as you can. Your hips and breasts should lift from the floor, and you should balance on your stomach. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Number 5. Wheel Pose. Chakrasana, or the wheel pose, helps you stretch your thorax, spine, and neck, lifts fatigue, and cures headaches. Lie down on your back and place your feet a bit more than shoulder width apart. Then pull them towards your buttocks. Put your hands, palms down behind your head with your fingers, pointing to your back. Breathe out and raise your breasts and hips as high as you can. Try straightening your arms completely. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Number 6. Supported Headstand. Salamasarsasana, or the supported headstand, is helpful for the ligaments and muscles of your spine and thorax. It improves breathing and blood flow, but it's advised for the experienced. Stand on your knees and put your forearms on the floor, knit your fingers together to form a bowl. Then put the top of your head on the mat so that the back of your head is in the bowl. Bend your knees, breathe out and raise your feet off the ground. Stretch your legs upwards. Stay like this for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Number 7. Camel Pose. Ustrasana, or the camel pose, is effective against backaches. It also increases the volume of your lungs and strengthens your thorax. Stand on your knees and pull your feet together. Slowly bend backwards and put your hands on your heels. Then arch your back and stretch your ribs. Your head should be pulled towards the floor. Stay like this for 30 seconds and assume the initial position. Practice these regularly and you'll notice the changes really soon. Share this video with those who also want to stay slim and fit. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and click subscribe.